Hannah.
I'm Alana.
And I'm Elena.
Today we're going to bake
brownies.
Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start.
First, put it on low fire and put 1/2 of butter in your pan. Then you have to wait until the butter melts. After the butter is dissolved, put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder in the butter. And then mix when dissolved. Then put 1/2 of sugar. And stir it all up. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1/2. After that, you just have to mix. After you mix it up, you're going to turn off your fire and pour it into a glass bowl. After you turn it off, wait until it's going to be cooling off. Wait until your brownie mix is going to cool off before you put it into a bowl. After you put your mixture in after you put your mixture into this bowl or another bowl, you're going to put 2 eggs, room temperature. After you put 2 eggs in, you're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. After you did that, you're going to mix until all of it is dissolved. Now, you're going to store the eggs and the salt together until all of it is dissolved, or you can't see the eggs or the salt anymore. Then, you're going to put 1 cup of almond flour and another 1.5 cup of almond flour. Then you're going to stir it all up.
And if you're making more brownies, put 1 tablespoon of cow milk or almond milk.
And then you're going to put more almond flour. You're going to put just as much as you put as milk. And then you're going to mix. By the way, just reminding, mix really good.
First put some chocolate chips and then put some coconut and then put some almonds. Then mix and try to hide the coconuts and the almonds.
While you're mixing, remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you are going to put your mixture into a pan where your brownie mix is going to bake in the oven. After you put all your brownie mix into the pan, you are going to spread it out evenly. And remember to spread it out on all the corners. By the way, this is what yours might look like. And then, when your brownie mix is ready, or your preheated oven is ready, you're going to put it in the oven, and then you're going to put the timer on for 30 minutes. That's it.
It's gonna look like this.
Okay guys, that was the video. Hope you learned a lot from this video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.